Hello everyone, it's Sun again and welcome back to the course of Business, Meeting and Negotiation Skill of the Distance Learning course by Hoa Sen University. So welcome to Chapter 8 where we're exploring the critical topic of negotiation. So negotiation is an essential skill in both personal and professional setting. So in this chapter, we dive into the fundamental principles of negotiation, the different strategy and tactics that can be employed, and how to prepare effectively for a negotiation. So now, let's start this chapter with a question to get you thinking about negotiation in a more familiar context. So, have you ever negotiated with your friend to get what you want? Take a moment to think about a time when you successfully negotiated with a friend. What strategy did you use? What was the outcome? So this personal reflection will set the stage as we explore more structured negotiation techniques in this chapter. So in this chapter on negotiation, we will focus on three key objectives. The first one will be overview of the negotiation. So first, we start with an overview of negotiation where we can define what negotiation is, explore its significance in both personal and professional contexts. Number two, we examine the factors that can influence negotiation skill. And finally, we discuss the common pitfalls that can make a negotiator ineffective. By identifying these factors, you learn how to avoid these mistakes and improve your negotiation outcomes. So now, we will begin our discussion with an overview of negotiation. This will set the foundation for everything we will cover in this chapter. So, what is negotiation? Right, so please interact with your textbook and tell me. So, negotiation can be defined as an interpersonal, what do you think? Yeah, so we got decision-making process whenever we cannot achieve our objective single-handedly. So this definition highlights that negotiation is a fundamental aspect of human interaction, whether in business, personal relationship, or everyday life. So negotiation can take many forms depending on the context and the goals of the party involved. There are three main types of negotiation. We got win-win negotiation. So this type of negotiation is often referred to as integrative negotiation. It focuses on finding solutions that benefit all parties involved. Number two, win-lose negotiation, also known as distributive negotiation. So this approach views the negotiation as a zero-sum game, where one party gains is the other party loss. And number three, mixed motive negotiation. So this type combines the element of both win-win and win-lose negotiation, leading to more complex dynamics. And in this section, we explore the key reasons that affect negotiation skill. Understanding these factors will have you recognize why some negotiation success, why the other fall. Right, we'll be discussing some of the fundamental factors that influence business negotiation skill. We explore 5 key areas in the dynamic nature of business. And now number 2, this is the, absolutely, we got interdependence. For number 3, that is economic forces. Number 4 is, IT or information technology. And the last one will be globalization. So these factors plays a crucial role in how we prepare for, engaging, and conclude negotiation in the business world. Now, let's talk about the number 1, dynamic nature of business. The constantly changing business environment requires negotiators to be flexible and adaptable. Now, for the interdependence, in an interconnected world, the outcome of negotiation often have broadened consequences, emphasizing the importance of maintaining long-term relationship, as you can see. And number 3, economic forces. The state of the economy can significantly influence negotiation, particularly in terms of leverage and strategy. Now, number 4, absolutely the IT. So the role of technology in modern negotiation cannot be overstated, with proficiency in tech and cybersecurity being the key components here. How about the globalization? Negotiator must be culturally aware and flexible to accommodate diverse international practices and expectations. So this is the end of the part 1 of this chapter. We will know some of the concepts from the part 2 of the negotiation.